Now that I've been using this PuroAir air filter for my home for over a year, I want to share some of the best things I've learned and ways that I've been able to utilize it to keep the air in my home as clear as possible. First off, the number one thing is the air is actually filtered through the back here. So instead of facing the front, you actually want to face it out towards the back because that is where the air is being purified. Don't put the back up against the wall or else it's not going to work very well. Number two, I only use PuroAir filters. They're super easy to use and replace, and I just trust the brand, so I stick with their replacements. And lastly, it's been really easy to use. All you have to do is flip it on here. It'll tell me when I need a replacement filter. I can set a timer if I only want it to run for 2 hours. I can increase or decrease the speed, and then also put it to sleep if I want to. I would highly recommend this PuroAir air filter. The large one purifies up to 2,000 square feet, which is perfect for my home. But don't forget to leave that back facing out. Don't put it against the wall or else it's not gonna work very well. Highly recommend.